Can ChatGPT plan your RV trip? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to another RV Life Tech video. In today's video, we are going to try something new, something different, something that it's the hot thing right now and the source of a lot of conversations. We're going to try out Chat GPT and see if it can plan a route for your RV travels. Because we are going to go to Connecticut in June and up north, I figured let's try to see if we can get Chat GPT to give us campgrounds along the route. ChatGPT can be used for so many different things nowadays. It can write a story, it can write term papers, it can write whatever you want. Crazy amounts of things. So I figured why not try it and give us some places to stay along the route from here to Connecticut. Let's just try that and see what happens. Let's share the screen here. So here's ChatGPT. You got to log in to the account. One of the things I want to see is if it'll show us different campsites to stay in along the way. You got to be creative in how you ask the question because sometimes it doesn't know or it'll give you something totally different. So let's see. How or no. All right, let's see. So find RV campgrounds along. Let's do this. Let's find RV campgrounds from Atlanta, Georgia to Hartford, Connecticut. Let's see what it finds. Certainly, here are some of the campgrounds you can consider along the route from Atlanta, Georgia to Hartford, Connecticut. So this is kind of taking us all over the place. You can see here, River's Edge RV Park, Rock Island, Tennessee, Gatlin. So you get the picture, but it's taking you way west. So every time I've done this, it's come up with different routes. All right, so let's go ahead and show you some of the other things that it found for us. And so here are some of the searches that I did before. I asked it, show me RV parks to stay along the way from Atlanta, Georgia to Hartford, Connecticut. And as you can see here, I mean, let's try this one here and see where it's actually located. All right, so let's back out of the map and see where it takes us. So that's Savannah. I don't want to go to Savannah. That's going southeast. I'm trying to get over here to Connecticut. So it should plan something along the way here, but it didn't. And then look at this. It's taking me to Jacksonville, which is way south. That's going back south to Florida to go back north. So that doesn't work. Then it has Myrtle Beach, Virginia Beach, which is going north, northeast, but it's way east. Here's another one that I tried before. A little bit of a different the way I asked. But, I mean, look at this here. Let's look this up because I got a funny feeling this is more of a storage to park your RV than anything else. North Atlanta RV Park. Oh, so I guess it is. But, okay, so that one's kind of along the way. Let's try this next one here. North Carolina, which is not terrible. Okay, so it did pretty good there. So that one did pretty well. Let's try the next one. So here's where it kind of screws up the whole trip. So 7 acres RV park. But look where it is. I mean, it's Florida. So we're going back south when, we're supposed to leave from here to go all the way here. And the rest kind of takes you up. Let's do one more and just see where this takes us. So this is in Pennsylvania, close to Philly, So that's getting us there, kind of where we need to be.
And if you like what you see so far, don't forget to hit the like button, but don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications to all so you don't miss a thing from this series.
In conclusion, is Chat GPT helpful? Yeah, I would say maybe. Is it there yet for what we need it to do for us as, you know, people who RV and find campgrounds? I think in the long run, maybe. I think it can be helpful to maybe find something along the way that you didn't look at. But I can do this with RV Trip Wizard by just looking at a map and checking if you want the best route, the fastest route, if you want to explore a little bit and go like off the beaten path campgrounds. That's still going to be your best bet for right now. It's something like RV Trip Wizard by RV Life. There's Chat GPT 4.0 that's out right now. This is 3.0, I believe. So that version is supposed to be even bigger. In case you don't know, Chat GPT, the way it works is it takes everything and all information from the internet to figure out and learn what you want it to do. Let's try something else here. Let's ask it a new question. New chat. What is the best travel trailer in the market? Let's just make it the best. Let's just call it RV travel trailer in the market. See what it comes up with. As an AI language model, I cannot provide a single best RV travel trailer as the choice ultimately depends on various factors such as your budget, personal preferences, travel needs, and lifestyle. I can suggest highly rated travel trailers in the market based on consumer expectations. Here we go. You have Airstream, Grand Design, Jayco, Forest River, so on and so forth. Just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys how AI is kind of taking over things. So that's all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Something fun, different to do. Let's see how this advances. It could be a little bit scary because, they're taking everyone's information, and I don't know if that's good or bad. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and hasta la próxima.
On to the next one.